Thawbal amasung Bisnupur district ta pangthokliba district level Olympic Games ase lamdam asigi district khudingmakta pangthoktuna afaba sanari puthoknaba hotnaminabagi Tangaiphade lei haina Governor Ajay Kumar Balana phongdokhrei. Manipur Olympic Association ki mideng makhada Bisnupur District Olympic Association, Bisnupur District Administration amadi Youth Affairs and Sports na sinduna chatarakpa Bisnupur District Olympic Games loishinbagi tharomda wafam ase mahakna phongdokibane. State Animal Sangaina mascot oiraga tha asigi nipandagi tongan discipline taraga tarukta changdamnaduna chatharakpa ahanba Bisnupur District Olympic Games loishinbagi thoram aduda Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchan, Home amasung Gas Minister Govindas Konthausam, Moirang ACG MLA Thongam Santi, Thanga ACG MLA T Robindro, Oinam ACG MLA Rengbam Naline, Chief Secretary Dr. Punit Kumar Goel, Bisnupur District DC Puja Ilangwam Amade, SP KSS Rabi Kumar Maru Oba Mitunan Singh Oina Sarugakhe. Moirang Chengai Laikai Ge Chengai Lampak Sports Complex the Pangthokkiba thoram aduda Governor Ajay Kumar Balana hai One District One Spirit Khelo Bisnupur haiba thim the yumfam oiraga district level the Olympic Games ama ahan boina pangthokliba asi thagatningai ne state asida ahan boina Thawbal district su manaba games pangthokhrei Thawbal amasung Bisnupur district ki matau tamduna lamdam ase leidiba district khudingmakta district level Olympic Games asi pangthoktuna sanaroi sing yokhatpagi Tangaiphade lei Bisnupur District Olympic Games ta saruk yakiba sanaroi singna thana khotnaba asi awang bathak ta pukhatuna apunbagi thawna utkhiba amade amada ikai khumnaba utkhiba asi tamjaningai ne masina sana khotnaba asi hena phagat hanba amade nungsi chanana hingminnanaba khotnabada achobo mateng panglagani hainasu Governor Ajay Kumar Balana makha chana phongdokhe.
Success in sports is measured not only by podium finishes, but also by the courage to compete, the determination to improve, and the humility to learn from every experience. Continue to work hard, remain disciplined, respect your coaches, and never stop believing in your own potential. I congratulate all the medal winners, participants, coaches, officials, volunteers, and organizers for making the first edition of Bisnupur District Olympic Games a grand success. I am confident that initiative will grow stronger with each passing year and become an important platform for producing the next generation of champions from Manipur.
Thauram aduga mari lainana Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchana hai District level da Olympic Games pangthokpa haibase international gi thakta sanaba yawnabagi ahanba khongthang ne masina sanaroi kayada chawna kanaba pirakane Manipur asi sana khotnabagi lamda aduki matik haitoising thoiba lamdam ama oibana India gi ahanba Sports University state asida Prime Minister Narendra Modi na khudol oina pirakhibane ngasi pangthokliba sana khotnabagi thauram asina tungda horakadaba sanaroi kayada achoba inot ama hapa khakta natana kanaba kaya amasu piba ngamlagani haibagi achetpa thazaba thami haina Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchana makha chana phongdokhe.
Manipur se sports da koyi aduki matik sana balamne loga India da amadi malem da Manipur se sana ba amadi art and culture da singthal na bagal na Bharat ki ihan hanba Bharat de ihan hanba sports university si national sports university si Bharat ki Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi ji na Manipur da pirakhiri aduna lakadaba Tuan events itu masih pangthokliba binasina mateng bangani amadi sakotba bagi kutang sports ki ekonomi nama hirkani hana thajaba tamjarkana
Ngasi Bisnupur District Olympic Games loishinba numita meter humfu gi lamjel ge final round pangthokhibaga loinana Meneka Nitra Academy Moirang gi mahiroi singna cultural dance amadi Oja Maniton Moirang gi mahiroi singna pung cholong performance utkhe Thauram adugi saruk ama oina national amasung international gi thakta medal laroklaba thaknairaba sanaroi kaya da Governor Ajay Kumar Balana momento piduna puning thogatkhe Bisnupur District Olympic Games ta pangthokhiba masana singgi team call singtasu momento khusinakhe ngasi pangthokhiba meter humfu gi lamjelda Nambol ACG RK Kumar Moirang ACG M Vidya Chandra amade Moirang ACG Case Naresna ahanba anishuba amade ahumsuba takhe event adugi nupi singi category dana Nambol ACG Hais Christina A Hari Priyari amade Moirang ACG K matam nganbina mathangshina ahanba anishuba amade ahumsuba takhe games asida athletic masanada Nambol ACG gold medal nipan silver medal ahum amasung bronze medal mari punna medal taraga mangal lauduna overall team winner oikhe ꯀꯨꯝꯕꯤ ꯑꯦꯁꯤꯅ ꯒꯣꯜꯗ ꯃꯦꯗꯜ 2, ꯁꯤꯜꯚꯔ ꯃꯦꯗꯜ 3 ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯣꯟꯖ ꯃꯦꯗꯜ 5 ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯃꯦꯗꯜ 10 ꯂꯧꯗꯨꯅ ꯇꯤꯝ ꯔꯟꯅꯔ ꯑꯞ ꯇꯥꯈꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯣꯏꯔꯥꯡ ꯑꯦꯁꯤꯅ ꯒꯣꯜꯗ ꯃꯦꯗꯜ 2, ꯁꯤꯜꯚꯔ ꯃꯦꯗꯜ 2 ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯣꯟꯖ ꯃꯦꯗꯜ 3 ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯃꯦꯗꯜ 8 ꯂꯧꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯦꯀꯦꯟ ꯔꯟꯅꯔꯁ ꯑꯞ ꯇꯥꯈꯤ꯫